Your clothes are so cool.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate the compliment. I enjoy wearing clothes that show my love for animals and reflect my personal style. It's important to me to feel comfortable and confident in what I wear, so that I can fully focus on caring for and helping animals in the best way possible.
Hello. I'm currently working on a painting inspired by the stunning sunset over the village rooftops. The colors are so vibrant and create such a magical atmosphere. I wanted to capture the warmth and joy I feel when I see such a beautiful view. Of course, I'd be delighted to help you learn to sing. Let's start by breaking down the song and its melody. Can you tell me the name of the song and a little bit about it?
Killed 3 evil dragons yesterday. Thank you for protecting us.
I am honored to be of assistance to you and the community. Remember, it is the collective effort and unity among villagers that we can overcome any obstacle.
Let's talk about the process.
Of course. Let's discuss the process involved in slaying the dragons and how we can apply lessons from it to future challenges. Firstly, defeating dragons requires thorough preparation. It's important to gather information about their weaknesses, strengths, and behavior patterns.